In autism, the frontal lobe works a little differently, and that can change everything from focus to friendships for your child. Here's what every parent should know. Let's start with what exactly is the frontal lobe. It's a part of the brain that sits right behind the forehead. It's responsible for tasks like decision-making, problem-solving, and controlling behavior. Think of it like the brain's CEO coordinating various functions to help your child navigate the world. Every day, your child's frontal lobe is working on planning out their day. It's working on focus and staying on track or staying on task. And it's also focused on social behavior. Through regulating emotions. The frontal lobe also plays a huge role in communication through language and speech. The frontal lobe is constantly trying to figure out how to adapt and respond appropriately to what's happening around them. Now, with the frontal lobe in kids with ASD, that part of the brain may develop differently or function differently, making it work a whole lot harder than a neurotypical frontal lobe. What does that mean for your child with ASD? This can mean that this makes them inflexible when it comes to plans changing or things being unpredictable. And that can also create an experience of anxiety for your child, because they don't know what to expect. This can also make focusing feel impossible, and things or symptoms like ADHD and impulsivity come up due to this. The frontal lobe not functioning properly doesn't allow your child's brain to regulate emotions well or at all, leading to outbursts and tantrums. And lastly, the frontal lobe is actually where your child's speech center is in the brain. So when the frontal lobe can't keep up, when it's working too hard or it's not working the way that it's supposed to, this is when we start to see speech delays. But here's the good news. There are easy and natural ways to restore better function to the frontal lobe through gentle, neurologically focused chiropractic adjustments. And that way, through those neurofocused adjustments and low-level laser therapy, that allows the frontal lobe to restore function, we are able to recharge the frontal lobe and rebalance the brain so that all of these tasks are easier for your child.